In this guide, we will explore the 2022 Chevrolet Corvette fuse box diagram and its location through a series of questions. Where is the fuse box located in the 2022 Chevrolet Corvette? How can you identify the different fuses in the diagram? What steps should be followed for replacing a fuse? Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2022 Chevrolet Corvette manages power for rear-end electrical systems like the taillights, rear-view camera, and parking sensors. It protects these circuits from overloads with dedicated fuses. The block is easily accessible for fuse replacement or troubleshooting rear component issues. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2022 Chevrolet Corvette controls electrical systems within the cabin, such as the dashboard, infotainment system, and power windows. It ensures these components are protected from electrical overloads. Located near the driver's side footwell, it's easily accessible for troubleshooting or fuse replacement. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.